Good morning, traders. In front of you, critical key retail chart that reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Market stuck in junky chop. Sell-off is weak. Only retail bearish pullback. There is nothing else. That's it. So what does the intelligent trader understand? What's causing the problem to the downside? Institutions remain long. Intelligent trader understands that clearly. It's a junky little retail pullback this morning. If market is not sell-off and not collapsing, it's because bold green zone not far off. Junky retail pullback in a play. Intelligent trader knows that clearly. Who trades Alpha Fibonacci system? There is no long trades for retail trader in this market. For institutional trader, it's spectacular profit. Institutional trader, days, weeks and months in profit. For retail trader, it's junky little short pullback. It's junky little pain. So if you like pain, you are in this market. If you don't like pain, do not short the markets until institutions take profits off the table. Price in pain, shorts on junky retail charts only. Until we see institutional crash, until we see serious institutional profit taking, there will be a whole lot more pain in this market. You don't like pain? You're not touching the market now. There is nothing else. In front of you, retail reversal zone on every chart. We identify days in advance. We need sell-off, we need the crash. But it's a retail chart. Institutions remain long, holding vertical profits. 2024 will require drastically more skill to trade. So if you keep jumping on shorts and you've been shorting market non-stop since October 2023 and you're struggling to make the money, you have a lot to learn. Intelligent trader been riding the bottom. 2023 was such an easy year to make money. 2024 will be entirely different ball game. If institutions holding positions and making fortunes by spreads on options, retail trader has a lot more to learn. Junky retail pullbacks will continue, and this can last many hours. Only pain is present, nothing else, on every single chart. So whatever chart you trade, I keep warning you for weeks and weeks and weeks. Institutional holds create massive problem for clueless indicator traders. Trader who trades Alpha Fibonacci system knows with a single glimpse what's causing so much problem on such junky retail trade. It's because very simple. It's because bold green zone is so close. With a single glimpse, intelligent trader who is trading Alpha Fibonacci system knows. It's extremely painful junky short. There is nothing else this morning at the market open. Nothing whatsoever. Only pain, only retail short. In the course, you learn how to identify these levels far in advance, as you will see next on oil during oil news. If you are trading futures on NinjaTrader 8, software is a phenomenal tool. With a single glimpse, you know to expect pain. With a single glimpse, you know this is the only option, there is nothing else. Trades play out on multiple other charts. I convert the software to 2-minute chart. I convert the software to 1-minute chart. That's it. Crawl and pain only. Retail junk is the only option. Institutions not taking profits off the table. Institutions continue holding longs. In the class I discuss positions from micro to macro chart. In the class I work with retail beginner traders and institutional traders and financial advisors. This will be the worst possible case scenario for retail trader if institutions continue adding to long positions. 2024 will be brutal year for speculators. 2024 will be spectacular year for intelligent strategic alpha Fibonacci trader. That's it. Institutional bias is long. Retail bias, junky bearish pullback. As price reached alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, identified hours and days ahead. So the crawl and pain continues as S&P waiting for oil news. Let's dive deeper. As you witnessing, junky short alerts remain. Scanner is a phenomenal tool. You look at the charts appropriate for you, your risk management, and you choose a trade appropriate for you, your account size, your psychological comfort. It's a clear counter trend retail junky trade. For institutional trader, position remains long. There is nothing else right now. For trader who trades small account, there is nothing else, only this is present. Intelligent human being who trades alpha Fibonacci system and software knows it with a single glimpse. So you decide how aggressive or how conservative you want to trade. Choice is yours. So if you love shorting financial markets, because you love going to war with the markets, because your ego through the roof, your cortisol through the roof, your testosterone through the roof, enjoy the ride. There is no other option as price reached alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. My goodness, did we know that this would be a problem? Of course. Market preset and you see it every single day. There is nothing else. It's a painful crawl. It's a bold pink line. When I worked in Johns Hopkins research, I saw clearly the impact of colors on human brain. Brain health I bring to Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. Trading reflects it all. Your emotional intelligence. Trading reflects your financial stability. If you cannot pass psychological test and you cannot be sniper in these brutal markets where institutions holding position and market loaded with junky limited trades, use system long term. You see in the single class how you could have worked 15 minutes in the last 3 years, making hundreds and thousands of points on S&P, on Dow, on NASDAQ. I dive into micro and macro chart. My goodness. That's the reason why Goldman making me an offer as I share emails from Goldman with my students. because the ultimate precision is present on every instrument, on every time frame. Trading room is open so you can see it in the live markets without any delays. That's it. And when price fails to break through this level to the upside, no one is surprised. Correct? Price always moves one step at a time. You learn all the critical key rules in the course. I love showing my system on 1 minute chart. 16 years since I started developing my own systems. It takes my breath away. That market very clear Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. Did we know or did we know that this would be a problem? Of course. It's a junky retail short that's stuck in excruciating pain. But if day trading is not for you, look at the charts once a week, once a month, once an hour, once every 4 hours. Decide and define the instrument you want to trade. Identical level you will witness on oil next. Our student in Saudi Arabia enjoying buying the bottom. Did you know that in Saudi Arabia you're not allowed to place any shorts? They do not exist in Saudi Arabian market. So if I bring to your attention this bold pink line, you knew many months in advance not to buy at this level, but to exit at the bold pink line. To the upside, buyers are weak on oil in the months of September. But my goodness, you knew it so many months in advance. If I take you back to the months of July, wow, of course, look at that chart. It's present in front of you for years and years and years. Day trading not for you. Look at the charts once a week, once a month, once an hour. You decide what you want to trade. Identical level where oil collapsed from is identical level that playing out on S&P right now, and you can trade them both. Of course you can. Except on S&P to the downside, because in the course you learn when the bold pink line correlates with a bold green zone, this is given to be major problem. Sellers are worthless and buyers exhausted. That's a very clear current market that's stuck in retail bearish correction. So oil news is next. And you know quite well, months in advance, where the bottom on oil will be. Day trading not for you. You have no self-awareness and you cannot pass psychological and technical tests, and you keep shorting and shorting the markets, and you keep shorting oil near institutional buy point. Stop trading live. Stop the cycle of insanity. Be self-aware, please. Give yourself that favor. Oil skyrocketed from institutional buy point present in front of you for years. But how to trade this, you must know the rules. All in live classes and over 300 videos. And if S&P will collapse, intelligent trader would be very excited about this level. but S&P remains stuck in brutal pain. It's between retail reversal zone to the upside and retail critical key target to the downside. S&P in pain, and this may continue until oil news. Identical level playing out currently on euro. Forex traders all over the world trading Alpha Fibonacci system since 2011 on MT4, MT5, interactive brokers trading you think or swim, platforms I never heard of in Dubai, in New York, in London, in Saudi Arabia, in Florida, in California, in Alabama. Just on top of my head to think, in Switzerland, of course. My dearest friend, hedge fund manager, trading my system on Forex long term. This is identical level. That's a problem on euro to the upside. This is identical level. That's a problem to the downside. Identical level where euro skyrocketed from in the month of October. Moving this chart to October 1st. 104 is lifeline on euro. Does this look familiar? This chart been present in front of you for years. This level is out, this level to follow. This level is out, this level to follow. Our incredible student Jamal left Saudi Arabia and bought home in South France when euro was at the bottom. Here's a couple of emails I received recently. Dear Jamal, what a genius of a trader. Jamal concentrated on investing in real estate at the bottom when euro reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Jamal, sign up for all the system and strategies I will ever develop. Georgie and I doing podcast next. Georgie trading completely different instruments. My goodness, when you will learn his story as Georgie in war zone. This is Georgie performance. Georgie also will be speaking in Bootcamp. That's it. If Georgie can do this in one of the worst places on the planet, so can you. You decide how you want to trade. Choice is yours. And again, and again, and again. Only pain is present now. This is the most critical and the most important part, that our legend, who was here in the trading room every morning for the last 5 years, would know. I dedicate Bootcamp to Brett. If Brett can do this, anyone can. This is during the worst market conditions on S&P mini future in the last 2 months. 4 contracts on S&P. What is stopping you? Choice is yours. Can you make an effort? Can you be a limitless human being? Are you obsessed with the markets? Then day trading is for you. Be self-aware and identify what risk management can you handle, what instrument can you psychologically and financially be comfortable with. Alpha Fibonacci system based on pure price. In the trading room you see precision instantly, and you are tested to the core during retail junk only. No speculative targets, never, ever, ever. It's between reversal retail to the upside and critical key bold green zone to the downside. You knew it before it happened. It played out in front of you this morning. Institutions keep adding to long positions. Market loaded with retail chop 80+% of the time. Poor shorts. When institutions making 7 figures plus buy option spreads, it will test you to the core. You don't like the pain? Walk away. There is nothing else. Only junky retail correction. How you trade these brutal markets will define your success in trading. That's it. If incredible human being, if legend could do this, making $10 an hour, so can you. All you have to do, make an effort. All you have to do, practice non-stop. You must be obsessed with financial markets in order to succeed as day trader. Your success will never come with obsession with money. You are obsessed with money, you system long term. If you are unstable emotionally and financially, you cannot day trade, but you can learn. And when you can double your demo, trade life. Mornings like this will define your trading forever. There is nothing else. Only this is present. An Alpha Fibonacci system spelled it out to the tick. That's it. Institutional holds will test retail trader to the core. When you trade with Alpha Fibonacci precision, you survive even such horrific market conditions. This is the most important part of your trading. This is the key. Plays out currently 80+% of the time. So again, it's extremely clear that buyers are weak. It's extremely clear that market is an extremely dangerous place. Junky bearish move to the downside is the only option. It's extremely painful. It's a very slow crawl. There is nothing else. Only this is present. Again, all of this is coming from Alpha Fibonacci retail chart. Identify days in advance. There is no institutional move this morning. It does not exist. It's a junky retail morning. It's junky retail levels only. And that's the reason for crawl, and that's the reason for pain. So here we go, traders. As again, when you understand the power of Alpha Fibonacci software, you understand buyers were weak, price moved, step 1, step 2, step 3. Buyers remain being weak. Selling pressure started from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. There was no other option this morning. Only this extremely painful, massive number of shorts. Again, as discussed prior, I choose to project software to 1-minute chart so you can see precision instantly. Trades played out on multiple other charts. As you saw on scanner, multiple other alerts, correct? Institutional crash for retail trader will be a gift. So again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the only option this morning. Number 1, we knew days in advance not to buy at this level. Number 2, we knew extremely well. It's extremely painful retail short. This trade continued. It took this trade 20 minutes to reach this level. Trade been stuck in pain in junky bullish pullbacks. Crawling back further when this level is out as expected. Now we're stuck in junky bullish move. Intelligent trader understands where to exit trade Intelligent trader understands where precise entry, stop, and targets are. All speculation is done. All speculation is out. No stress, no pain. Ultimate precision only. Please pay attention. Word Z means reversal zone. Is everyone seeing this? Again, from reversal zone to the upside to reversal zone to the downside. So identical bullish reversal you are seeing with NinjaTrader 8 software on S&P mini future is identical bullish reversal that played out on Nvidia. When you can trade one, you can trade them all. Day trading not for you. You cannot pass psychological test. You're walking through very challenging time in your life. Use system long term. In a single class, you see how you could have traded system 5 minutes per year on S&P mini future, producing hundreds and hundreds of points. But if you will decide to trade stocks, of course you can. All you have to do, make an effort and apply this system to risk appropriate for you. Here's Nvidia before spectacular rally. Here is October 2022. Chart present in front of you for years. Do you remember what happened on S&P? Do you remember how price skyrocketed just now? It's identical level. There is only one difference. On Nvidia right now, there is no software. On S&P mini future, you have software to day trade futures on NinjaTrader 8. Nvidia is up from 109 to 500 plus. Self-awareness will be key discussion in Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. Self-awareness is key discussion in private mentoring. Without self-awareness, there is nothing. You want to become successful, you need to know your limitations. You need to know your gifts. You need to know if you should trade system long term or if you are obsessed with being a sniper in financial markets. Alpha Fibonacci system allows you to trade consistently on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, or with software for NinjaTrader 8. Today, trade futures with multi-market scanner and trade recognition software. So when you come to the website, please view movie student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute celebrating 13-year anniversary. Student who made this video, his name is Ken. He's a movie maker in London who is trading crypto on his iPhone using Alpha Fibonacci system. It's entirely different instruments than Day Trader Manuel, who brought his wife to the course. His wife Jennifer trading the most volatile futures with her husband. CEO is a legend. CEO trading different instruments, futures, commodities, Forex. Carlton, he's bringing his friends. Richard retired trading the system. David trading it all. So view emails I receive. Less than 1% of the emails uploaded. I cannot upload tens of thousands of emails I received over the years. We only started uploading emails in the last 2 years. View students' reviews, listen to students' podcast. I'm recording new podcast with Georgie this morning. So please understand, we have only 9 spaces left in Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. Last year, I was not teaching a bootcamp. We have not had a bootcamp in almost 3 years. I don't know if I will ever teach another one. Bootcamp at no cost to new traders, valued $2,777, included in purchase of private mentoring, total savings almost $10,000. Included in every single package, group course, the most popular package, savings more than $7,000, almost $8,000. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8, sign up for option 1 and 3. Because if these traders can do it, so can you. All you have to do, make an effort and trade the instrument appropriate for you. Traders of all levels, all backgrounds, sharing their stories from all over the world. And again and again and again, as you listen to Pablo's podcast. If complete beginner Pablo can close his law practice and trading Alpha Fibonacci system on futures, on stocks, on other instruments, so can you. And again, and again, and again, I dedicate 2024 Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp to Brad, my incredible friend, my dearest friend, legend. If Brad have done it, so can you. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me, 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com.